Howdy y'all, this is K1 Locks. Today I come at you with this Mortise cylinder, and it says it's an American lock. American lock there. Come with me. So we're going to go ahead and dig into this mother. See if we can't pick into it today. There you go, get that mic in there a little closer so I can get this pig going. Let's get a little closer, shall we? Oh, that feels like the right tension right there. Oh, there we got it. Oi! We got it. Sweet. So this is a Mortise cylinder. This is the American. Well, I guess we should open it, shouldn't we? Of course we should. Because what is an open lock without knowing what's inside of it, right? I mean, come on. You got to know what's inside of these things, right? I'm going to use this one because I kind of like it. Sorry. There we go. Oh no, I don't have a key for this, so this is good. All right, looks like there were like 5 pins in here, so let's just go ahead and dump them out now. Hopefully you can see them. Yeah, you got it. Standard. 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 So it has 6 holes. It's available to use 6, but it will have 6 eventually. Yep, I do dare say myself it will have 6. All right, I just need to grab this. Standard. I'm not going to take the springs out because we know they're all standard. Oh man, this is terrible, dude. I was hoping that this had some security pins in it for being an American lock, man. Oh, gee, lemony. Oh yeah, there's only 5. I forgot. So anyway, it looks like this lock for our stock lock Sunday is just nothing more than a stock lock with nothing in it. There are no security pins, no joy, no love, nothing. But when this goes back out as a challenge lock from me to you, it will have security pins. It will be rocking and rolling for you guys out there in the world to love what's going on here. So thank you so much for watching today. This is K1 Locks saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.